Right, we are now at the side of a water hazard, and hopefully you've clipped onto the video which explains the difference between water hazard and lateral hazard. But we now need to know what happens if our golf ball goes into one of those two options. So first of all, we're going to cover the water hazard, which is the yellow stakes. And the important thing to remember when your golf ball goes into a water hazard, you have three options. And really all I'm going to try and do today is just to give you that idea of what the three options are, and hopefully you'll know that and remember that when you go out to play. So when you hit your golf ball into the water, the first option that you have is that you can replay your shot back from the tee. So whenever you go into the water, you can replay your shot from where you played the last shot. It will be a penalty of 1, and you also have to count the shot that you've hit. So if it was your tee shot, you would now be playing your third shot from the tee. The second option that you have is that when your golf ball goes into the water, as long as you keep where your golf ball went into the water, and from that line all the way back to where you played your last shot, you can drop your golf ball anywhere on a direct line from between where you played your golf shot and from the edge of the water. And the third option that you have is you can actually, funny enough, play it from the water hazard. Because even though this one here does have water in it, sometimes in the middle of summer you might find that the water evaporates and all you've got is a hole full of dirt. And if your golf ball is inside the line of the yellow markers, it is still classed as a water hazard. So you can still play it, but be careful, you might need your wellies. The second one is obviously the red one, which is the lateral. The same three options apply for the lateral hazard, but if this stake happened to be a red one, you would have an extra option of dropping the golf ball out to the side. So 2 club lengths from the side of the hazard, arm out, let the golf ball drop, and you're now in play for a penalty of 1. So remember, the best one to be in, if you're going to choose one, will be the lateral, because you have the extra option of dropping out to the side, and you can drop on the other side as well, and that gives you that extra option. So there's 5 options. So don't forget, option number 1, you can go back to the tee or where you played the last shot from. Option number 2, keep the line of your entry between where you played your last shot, and you can drop your golf ball anywhere on that line. Option 3, you can play from inside the hazard. Option 4 and 5 only apply to the lateral, and that is you can drop out to the side 2 club lengths for a penalty of 1 and then carry on. So hopefully that's going to be helpful for you.